Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gamma AI to create presentations. Gamma AI is a fantastic tool that leverages artificial intelligence to transform your ideas into stunning presentations with remarkable speed. It helps you craft visually appealing and highly engaging content, saving you valuable time and effort. You can focus on your message while Gamma AI handles the design, making your presentations truly stand out and impress your audience. To begin, simply navigate to the Gamma AI dashboard and select the option to create a new presentation. You will then be prompted to enter your topic or paste your existing content. Gamma AI will analyze your input and suggest various layouts and designs. You can also choose from a wide array of pre-designed templates to kickstart your creative process, ensuring a strong foundation for your deck. Once your initial slides are generated, Gamma AI offers extensive customization options. You can effortlessly edit text, swap images, and adjust layouts to perfectly align with your vision. Explore a rich library of themes and color palettes to maintain brand consistency or simply enhance visual appeal. The integrated AI assistant can even provide content suggestions, helping you refine your message and ensure clarity. After perfecting your presentation, Gamma AI provides several convenient sharing and exporting methods. You can generate a unique web link to share your work instantly with anyone, anywhere. For offline access or traditional presentations, easily export your slides as a PDF document or a Microsoft PowerPoint file. Furthermore, Gamma AI supports real-time collaboration, allowing your team to work together seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.